to Crugyn Reservoir. Views are incredible. Very, very steep. Come round here. Look at the good view of it. Views of the moorland. Elan Valley walk, just at the Penygarreg Dam. Beautiful scenery already. Beautiful scenery. Nice views down into the valley. We're heading up to, hopefully on the summit path. Enjoying it, Kate? You enjoying it?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good views, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've got views into the Black Mountains actually from here. There's there's Hay Bluff, Lord Hereford's Knob, Winevac from here, and then here is view of Drygarn Valley, which is a kind of remote high summit in the sort of southern Cambrians, central Cambrians, and summit's just up here. So the summit come into view. Crugyn Ci, I think it's called. Crugyn Ci. More fantastic views. Show you up the top and bring you back. So, last few steps. Crugyn Ci. It's my first ever hill top in the Cambrians. Wow, what a one it is. Views are amazing. Let's have a 360. Very clear today. Views to Pumlumon. Crugyn Valley. And can you see North Wales? Yeah. Glimpses of Snowdonia in the distance. And good views of the Black Mountains. Very good views actually. Yeah, stunning. Crugyn Ci. Very windy up here. Just heading over towards Moelfryn Mawr, and that's where we come from. This bit's a bit bleak and windy, so just gonna smash through here. See you in a bit. Just hit the second hilltop, Moelfryn Mawr. Nice views again. There's the summit rocks. Come up onto there. And the views of the Hay Valley are a bit closed off. So it's not the best viewing point, but still, it's nice. It's a good one to do. So just finishing up. Nice views of the dam from this side. and it's a nice sort of straightforward track now. Really nice walk, first time for us, isn't it, in the Elan Valley?
Yeah, wonderful place.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely come back again.
It's good enough. It's don't reach the sort of soaring heights of Snowdonia, but it's got a unique beauty, and there's endless walking to do here. And certainly the views of the Wye Valley were absolutely fantastic. We'll see you next time. This is beautiful, magical. Let's come and have a quick look up here. Gonna wash a dog off in here. Lovely. Lovely end to the walk.